Hi, welcome everyone. Today in art class, we are going to work in two different activities. We are going to do activity number 5. It is called Design It Yourself. As well, we are going to work on unit number 6, but we are going to talk about it later. Okay, so what are you going to do on page number 5? First, I want you to think in your favorite school supply. Okay, so once you have already decided which is your favorite school supply, now think what could you do to change it, to add something different. I want you to show you different pencils here. Around me, you may see different pencils. And that is something that you should do. And you are going to think in a cell phone case, in a laptop, in a pencil, and a notebook. Okay, so the idea is that you are going to design something that you would like to have. Think about a new cover for your notebook, a new cover for your book. So, what you are going to do is you are going to draw some sketches before, and once you are pretty sure about the activity, you may start to drawing on the book. So, I'm going to show you on a slide that includes two pens or two pencils and as well two pencil sharpener, and they were drawn just by using a regular pencil. So that's the idea. You are going to draw something that you would like to have, but do not forget that you have to include and scale, and then you have to write a description about your object, and you have to include what kind of scale are you using. So that is the activity for exercise number 5. Please don't forget to review Focus on English. That is for you to improve your vocabulary and to improve your knowledge about the meanings of different words. So I want you to do your best, and we are going to see your activities in the next um, meeting. Okay, now I want you to pay attention on the slide that I have around me. There is a pencil and it is a draft. It means that was done just by using a pencil. So you should do the same object from different angles, and that is the idea. The second example that I have for you is a pencil sharpener. It's the same object, but you may see that they have different angles. So it's something that you are going to do. And as well, I would like you to remind you that you may use color pencils, you may use pencil if you want, as well markers, and aquarela or tempera. That is going to be great. Do your best. I know you can. I've been checking your activities on my email, and I got surprised every single day you're doing something better. Okay, now it's time to talk about the last activity, that is activity number 6, and it is called This Is My Style. I want you to read the first part, and you will notice that it's going to be talking about different kind of purchases that we are doing. We consume entertainment, we consume clothes, we consume different things, and in some cases, the things that we wear can describe many things about us. It can also tell us about the culture, the group that we belong, right? So what are you going to do? Let me explain you. Look at the picture. There is a girl and there is a boy, and I added some examples for girls and 3 examples for girls and 3 examples for boys. And the first thing that you have to do is that you have to choose your style. If you prefer wearing skirts, jeans, shirts, or dresses, you are going to draw them and you are going to color them. I added some examples and they were painting with aquarela, so it is great. The same is for the boys. You are going to choose your style. What kind of clothes do you prefer? Do you prefer shorts? Do you prefer pants? What do you prefer? So think first about the kind of cloth that is your style. It means that describes you, and then you should work first, and you should do some sketches beforehand. So in that way, you are going to be sure about what you want to do. And I would like you to take into account the examples that I gave you because I'm expecting something great as the example that I gave you. Do your best, and we are going to see the next meeting. Please make sure you have the book with you. And if you have any question, do not hesitate on asking. Okay? So have a wonderful day. Bye bye.